Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting internet-connected systems, networks, programs, devices, and data from cyber attacks. It involves the use of technologies, processes, and controls to reduce the risk of cyber attacks. Here are some reasons that why you should learn cybersecurity. Cybersecurity experts are in high demand. As mentioned earlier, there are about 3.5 million cybersecurity job openings globally, making it an exciting career opportunity. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is continually growing as organizations recognize the importance of securing their digital assets. Learning cybersecurity can open up diverse career opportunities, including roles such as ethical hacker, security analyst, penetration tester, and security consultant. Protect personal and professional information. Cybersecurity skills empower you to safeguard your personal and professional information. With the increasing frequency of cyber attacks, understanding how to secure your data is crucial to preventing identity theft, financial loss, and other potential harms. Defense against cyber threats. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and cybercriminals are becoming more sophisticated. By acquiring cybersecurity skills, you can contribute to the defense against various cyber threats, including malware, ransomware, phishing attacks, and more. Protecting businesses and organizations. Businesses and organizations of all sizes face significant risks from cyber attacks. By learning cybersecurity, you can help protect these entities from financial losses, reputational damage, and legal consequences associated with data breaches and security incidents. Global relevance. Cybersecurity is a globally relevant skill. As our world becomes more interconnected, the need for cybersecurity expertise extends beyond borders. This makes it a valuable skill set that is in demand worldwide. Ethical hacking and penetration testing. Learning cybersecurity often involves gaining knowledge in ethical hacking and penetration testing. These skills are essential for identifying and fixing vulnerabilities in systems before malicious hackers can exploit them. Stay informed about technology. The field of cybersecurity is closely tied to technological advancements. By staying involved in cybersecurity, you'll naturally stay informed about the latest technologies and trends in the digital space. Contribute to a safer internet. Cybersecurity professionals play a crucial role in creating a safer online environment for individuals, businesses, and communities. By learning cybersecurity, you contribute to making the internet a more secure place for everyone. Adaptability and problem solving. Cybersecurity requires continuous learning and adaptation to new threats. This process enhances your problem-solving skills and ability to think critically about security challenges. Personal empowerment. Knowing how to protect yourself and your digital assets gives you a sense of personal empowerment. It allows you to navigate the digital world with confidence and reduce the risks associated with online activities. Learning cybersecurity not only helps protect yourself and others from cyber threats but also provides valuable skills for a rewarding and in-demand career. It's an investment in personal and professional development that aligns with the evolving nature of our digital society. Learn cybersecurity anytime. Whether you are a beginner or changing your field, cybersecurity can provide lucrative opportunities to advance your career.